Embracing an effortlessly chic style at 50 and beyond is about finding confidence in your wardrobe choices and celebrating your unique beauty. It's the perfect time to redefine your fashion sense with pieces that make you feel comfortable and stylish. Begin with timeless staples that form the core of an effortlessly chic wardrobe. A classic trench coat, a pair of well-fitted jeans, and a simple yet elegant white blouse are essential. These versatile pieces can be dressed up or down, providing the perfect foundation for any look. Incorporating modern trends in subtle ways can also keep your style fresh and contemporary. Think about adding a statement accessory, like a bold necklace or a stylish scarf, to elevate your outfit. Mixing classic and trendy items helps create a balanced and sophisticated look. Comfort and fit are crucial. Clothes that fit well and feel comfortable enhance your confidence. Tailoring can transform an ordinary garment into something extraordinary, perfectly suited to your body shape. Colors and patterns can play a significant role in defining your style. Embrace shades that complement your complexion and experiment with patterns that reflect your personality. Ultimately, dressing with confidence at 50 is about expressing your individuality through fashion. It's a celebration of your journey, proving that chic style is ageless and timeless.